Morning students, I welcome back SR online classes for BSc. Welcome. In the last class continue okay operators, Java operators. JavaScript operators. Discussing on the operators and different types of operators available in the previous class in the continuation. The continuation topic is operators. Different operators is a symbol that instruct to the compiler to perform some actions depending on the operands. Operands means operands acts. What are the types of operator? Means arithmetical operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, ternary operators, increment and decrement operators. These are the main operators as well as bitwise operators. So the last class discussing on the arithmetic operators as well as relational operators will be completed. Now we will be discussing on the logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators mainly used for logical operations, logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. Logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. These are the operands, okay, mainly used for logical operators, mainly used for logical purpose. Logical AND means these are three types of operators are there. The operator symbol is this one. Logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. It makes logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. The first one is logical AND. If both operands will be give both operands or both expressions will give true value, when you are using logical operand is also give true value. Here means A and B both operands. When you are using the logical AND, A will gives true and B will gives true. Okay, A and B also gives true value. Means A and B operands when I am using the logical, A will gives B true, B will gives true, and A and B also gives trues. Otherwise false. Both operands will give true value. That it can be used for logical AND. Logical OR operator means at least one of the operand, at least one of the expression, at least one of the operand or expression will gives true value. Then such type of logical OR also is gives result is true. Logical NOT means negation of the operands. It means both operands. It's like so meaning operands and result. Okay, just you can write operator. Operator. Sign, description or meaning. Example. Logical AND. Symbol is operator is here. Logical OR. And logical NOT. Logical NOT. Here means description means if first operands if first operand evaluate and return Returns a true. The second operates the second operand evaluates true, then the second operands, otherwise skips. And returns true, otherwise skips, returns true, returns true. If both are must be true. If both are must true, otherwise returns false. The simply say that is the logical and means if both operands, it's like both operands are both expressions with gives true value, then such type of logical and is also true, otherwise false. It means otherwise false or returns false. Next one is logical or evaluate both operands. Evaluate both operands. Returns true. Returns true if either both are any one operand true. Any one operand true. Returns false. Returns false if both are false. If both are false. It means at least any one of the operand, at least one of the operands will give true, otherwise false. Otherwise false. It's called logical OR. Logical OR means returns the inverse of the given value. Returns the inverse of the given value. Result is true, become false, otherwise true. Inverse of this one is inverse of the logical OR. Logical and logical or logical AND. If first operand evaluates and returns true, the second operand otherwise skip returns true. If both are must true, otherwise returns false. Evaluate both operands, returns true if either both are any one of operand true. Returns false if both are false. Returns the inverse. Inverse of the given value. Result true. Result true. Become false. And false become true. These are called logical operators. Logical and logical or logical not. Can you give examples? Means example program on logical operators. Example program on logical operators. Headers. Just directly the right script angle equal to body JavaScript. Next, we can write here directly document dot write again. Document dot write again. It's like you mentioned particular logical and logical are because document dot write again directly if I mentioned directly you can write operands. Otherwise I mentioned variable declaration body. If you can going on his ways. The previous example I mentioned where will be there. Just you can write where a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 5, d equal to 15. Next you can write document dot write ln. These are the three ways. A plus b, c minus d. Depending on the values, write ln. A plus b. A plus b means 10 plus 20, 30. Sorry, here you are using the comparison operators. A less than b, c greater than d. A less than b. 10 less than 20 is condition is true and c greater than 5 greater than 15 false. True and false. True and false false. The result will be false. What is the importance of logical and means both operands, both expressions. Here both expressions. This is expression. This is expression. This expression will gives and this expression also gives true value. Then the result will be true. Otherwise, true, false, and true and false, false. This is the importance of this is the logical and importance of this is the logical and. Next, same way. Document dot write ln. A greater than b, logical and c less than d as you wish. Depends on values. A less than b, a greater than b, 10 greater than 20, false, false, and c less than 5 less than 15. Otherwise, here mentioned a less than b, 10 less than 20, yes, condition is true. Or c, 5 less than 15, also true. Otherwise, c greater than d, c greater than 5 greater than 15, false. True or false, true. Become any one of these is. Any one of this one is document dot write ln. Next you can mention one more is there and negation. equal a less than b. Here a less than b means 10 less than 20. As condition is true, then negation false. Next here going on, here it is script close. Next body close. Next HTML close. These are the mentioned particulars here going on in this is logical operators. Logical operators. Next I am going to the assignment operators. Next I am going to discussing of the assignment operators. Assignment operators mainly used for assigning the value to variable. The purpose of using assignment operators. In clear of this, assignment operators mainly used for assigning the value or expression. It can be assigned to the variable. That is known as assignment operators. The symbol is this symbol. Here means two distincts are there. This is a equal assignment operators. This is equivalent operator. This is the assignment operator. This is equal operator. Equal to operators. This is coordination operator. Equal assignment operator. Assignment operator means assigning the value to the variable or assigning to the value expression to the variable. The purpose of using assignment operators. If I can take an example here, k equal 5. What do you mean this is example? K equal to 5. 5 is a constant value will be assigned to the variable. 5 will be assigned to the variable. Next, simple interest equal to PT R by 100. This is the expression. Expression will be assigned to the variable SI. Variable SI. This is called assignment operator. This is called assignment operator. Assignment operators mainly used for assigning the value or expression to the variable. Clear with it? This is assignment and this is equivalent. Both are distinct. Okay. Equivalent is either comparison is equal. Both are. This value can be assigned and expression can be assigned to the variable. That purpose of using assignment operator. The symbol is known as here. Assignment operators mainly used for assign the value to variable or assign the value to variable or expression to variable. Example, k equal to 5. Here k is a variable, phi is a constant value. This is assignment operator. This is assignment operator. Next, one more example here. Simple interest equal to, the formula is PTR by 100. Here PTR by 100 is a expression. SA is a variable. SA is a variable. K equal to 5. Here K is a variable. Phi is a constant value. PTR by 100. Here PTR is 100 is a expression. S simple test is a variable. Clear after that? And one more example we will be discussing on this is assignment. Exam program on assignment operator. Exam program on assignment operator. Exam program on assignment operators. Just if we can add the same content will be there. HTML as well as head titles is going on. Doc type HTML, otherwise destined doc type. Head, title, example program on operators. Example program on assignment operators. Next, head close. Body. Next, pre tag I mentioned. This is optionally, just if you can write, use pre element for work document dot brighten end method. Work document dot brighten end method, it's going on here. This is not body, pre is here used for. Next, if you can write script language, okay, script plan equal to JavaScript. Next, I mentioned variable declaration. Variable A equal to B equal to C equal to 10. Here now the same value 10 will be assigned to C, C will be assigned to B, B will be assigned to A. Now what is the value? 10 will be assigned. Otherwise, I have mentioned two ways. Variable C equal to 10, variable C will be assigned to it. Next, var A equal to B. So what is the value of A? What is the value of B? What is the value of C? A value is 10, B value 10. Actually, the 10 constant will be assigned to the C. Next, C 10 means what is the value of C? 10 will be assigned to B. Now 10 will be assigned to A. Now we have mentioned printing, okay? Document dot write ln. Document dot write ln. What is A value? What is the B value? What is C value? This is the right mention. 3 ways are there. Document dot write ln and document dot write ln and document dot write ln. Just are going on here, okay? Document dot write ln. The value of A is the value of A is comma S A. The value of C is equal to 10, B equal to 10. Then just keep going on this one. Script close. Next body close. Next HTML close. This is nothing but is assignment operators. Okay, assignment operators mainly used for assigning the value or expression to the variable. Assigning the value or expression to the value. That purpose of using assignment operator. The symbol is equal symbol and two are there, equal and double equal is there. What is the difference between symbol equal and double equal? Means equal means assignment operator, double equivalent. Equivalent is a relation operator, this is a assignment operator. In mathematically this is a equal operator, but is a computer here term is equivalent operator and equal operators. Clear that? Mainly this is closing of assignment operator. We have completed on JavaScript operators, completed on arithmetical operators, relation operators, logical operators and assignment operators. Coming to discussing on the tuple operators and increment and decrement operators, bitwise operators. We are discussing on tomorrow class, okay? Revealing operators, increment and decrement operators as well as ternary operators, comparison operators are there. Comparison means already covered in it's like known as relation operators. Relational operators. This is discussing on this going on examination point. What are the operators in JavaScript? What are the operators? What are the operators and what are the operands? What have been defined by operators? Operator is a symbol that instead to the compiler is known as depending on the operator's acts. Depending on the operand's acts, that is known as operators. What will be the expression? Expression is the combination of operator as well as operands, that is known as expression. JavaScript can be supports different types of operators are there. In mainly the first one is arithmetical operators, relational operators or comparison operators, as well as logical operators, as well as assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, as well as bitwise operators. These are mainly operators available in JavaScript. In that first one is arithmetic operators will be covered. What are the arithmetic operators? Mainly 5 operators are there. There are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. These are the arithmetical operators. Relation operators mainly used for comparison as well as equal and non-equal. Logical operators means logical and logical or logical AND. Assignment operators will be equal, only simple, that's known as. And given examples program will be covered. Tomorrow we will continue with operators. Thank you. Have a nice day.